So I went around to scout, and not a single fish was at the area that I wanted to fish. So we are going to catfish. We got bait, so we're gonna rig up. The water is extremely fast. Like, it's so fast, it's crazy. I didn't bring my catfish rod, but I did bring my swim bait rod, which I think will do. I hope, I'm praying that it does work. It's probably not gonna float yet, so I'm probably just gonna sink it. See what happens. This water is like stupid fast to me. So we're just gonna rig up, and I'll see you guys at the bridge. This water, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fast. So we're gonna go soak it by the bridge over there. I gotta be very careful. It's a little deeper now too. Oh, this is deep, yeah. Above knee, so gotta stay on the right side here. Gotta watch my step because there's a lot of like obstacles to get through here. It's very dangerous, in my opinion. Depending where I want to fish. Like, I want to fish right here because there's like a little shelf right there for me to put my stuff on. Then again, I don't know. Let's see. Yep, gotta get down and dirty, catch the big ones. All right. At least this tree here we can station, you know. We hang stuff and use stuff. Put this right here. My rod, I don't know what to do with my rod yet, especially when it's this long. I don't know what to do with it. See if I can rest it like right here somewhere. There we go. This bucket. Let me see if I can hang it somewhere. Hang my bag right here. I think this is a lot stronger. My bait will be up here. Well, possibly put my bait right here, maybe. Oh man, no, I really did. There you go. Put that in there. That way it's a little lower, you know. Just a little bit. There you go. That's not going anywhere. All right. I'm gonna apply it out right away. Why is there a freaking string right here, dude? What the heck? My knife. Well, you know what? I have my scissors. Even better. Go. I don't think we need the back portion. Just gonna cut that. All right, let's see if we can catch a catfish today. One would be nice. One would be really nice. Again, I don't have my catfish rod, so I'm using my swim bait rod. Should be okay, strong enough. I just won't set the hook so hard. Oops. Dang, that's fast, dude. Holy cow. Water's extremely fast. And it's already stuck. There's like a sweet spot over there. I hope it's sweet. And what these catfish do is they snatch the bait really, really fast. Like, I don't think you understand until you do it. Like, you can't just let them run with it. They don't bite and hold and run. They like snatch it and spit out really fast. So as soon as you feel that tension on it, you just jack them right away. Like, your reaction has to be quick. Very few times where they actually eat it, they hold on to it. They are quick eaters. Got them. See, just like that. Just like that. That's a nice cat, dude. Exactly what I was telling you guys about. Yep. It's that fast, dude. It's a nice one. Oh my gosh. It's a nice kitty cat. Yep. Exactly what I was telling you. That's a really big cat, I think. He's just in the current. I gotta keep him up high. Running right at me. Oh my gosh. Dude. Yep. He's running right at me. Yep, he's pissed off. So you want to keep him high too, because he's gonna run Oh, that's a nice kitty cat. Jeez. Goodness. Yep. That's what I was telling you guys about. But they just freaking peel and they run like a maniac out here. You gotta be very careful and very slow here. This is a nice fish. Beautiful fish. And you got to keep them above the ground because there's a bunch of like rocks and cement boulders because they did some constructions here. So it's important to keep them up high. Whoa, that's a nice cat, dude. You guys see that? Let's see if I can show you guys. That's a beautiful fish. That is a nice eater right there. And this is how you want to land them too, right? Where you just grab them by the tail and they calm down. Beautiful fish. I'll try to keep my view here for you guys. It's really hard to land river fish like this. Yep, he's gonna take off. Yep, he's gonna keep going. He's not done yet. It's okay if he pops off. I'm not keeping any, so it's fine. But they do fight. Extremely aggressive fish. Look at that, guys. Holy smoke. You guys see that? That is a mighty channel cat right there. Alright, see if we can land them. Look how beautiful that is. I would love to show you guys on DSLR, but I don't have any like room to set it up. Alright, and it popped off. I'm gonna walk it out over here. Look at that, guys. Tell me that is not a good channel right there. Oh my gosh. So healthy, round, just ready for the fall, you know. All right, goodness, so beautiful. Or get me wet. Thanks, buddy. And just like that. Oh, dude, I just missed one. Oh, dude, just got hit. Oh, I was late on it. Shoot. Yanked it. I don't know if my meat is still there. Just got a hit. Gosh, that was fast. I was too slow that time. Oh, somebody's pulling it. No, that's a little guy. That's what I mean. Just a small dude. Let's see if there's anything here. Super shallow. You never know. I got a bite. What the heck? So they actually took it. Little guy. Felt the pull. Got him. Oh my gosh, I actually got a fish. It's actually a channel right here, dude. Oh gosh. There's actually a channel right here. Oh, goodness. It's a nice channel. They actually got a channel just right in the shallow area. Wow, they did move up. Nice, dude. Oh, I gotta be careful. I don't want a rod to break. There you go. Nice. Got us up a channel, guys. Only 3 minutes in. There we go. Nice channel. Sheesh. What the heck are you doing here? So shallow. Beautiful. Dang, it's cool. I feel like I yanked that out of my hand. Man. So, oh jeez. There it goes. Yep. But it is pretty shallow right here. It just looks fast, but it just takes a few careful steps. This water is really high. That's good. That means, you know, big channels when they're coming up here and hanging out. Very careful. I can see the bottom, so I'm not too scared. Whew. Probably take this backpack off. Man. Put on a big piece of shad. See what happens. Oh! Oh my gosh! It's a nice kitty cat. He's wrapped. Jeez. Right away, dude. First drop. First freaking drop. I was wondering why my freaking line bounced twice. It's because of this guy. Sheesh. Probably don't even need a sinker. Man, nice kitty cat. Wow. Got a missing eyeball. Here we go. Sinker, you know. So we don't snag up as much. Oh, jeez. Where's my shappies? There we go. I was wondering why my rod bounced twice on me. It was so awkward, dude. I thought I just hit a fish. Oh, got another one. Jeez. There's a stack over here. Relax. Dude, no sinkers needed. Don't stab my freaking pants here. Man, that's awesome, dude. Finally found them. Took us long enough. Dude, look how fat it is. Wow. Oh, jeez. Came back to me. I don't know what's happening, but it's happening, man. Holy cow. I think the subscriber over there gave me good luck. Alright. So here's another one. No sinkers needed. Oh gosh, my goodness, right away, dude. Jeez, it's crazy. Dude, there's a stack over there. Gosh, there's a stack over there, man. Goodness, and they're so freaking strong. I don't remember them being this strong. Wow. Look at this. Another nice one. Go! Shit. Damn, dude. It's crazy as heck. My goodness. It's crazy, dude. I think I caught the school. All right, let's go.